Hi everybody. This is the video demonstrating how to record payments and add photos to your orders. In the previous video, we went over how to add line items and use the pricing calculator, so make sure to check out that one if you haven't already. So, starting back where we left off, we've added two line items to this order, one for a cake being priced as a whole with 1 serving, and one for a wedding cake with 125 servings. So, looking over at the right-hand financial column, we see that the calculated total for this order is $450. If you charge for delivery, this is where you would add your delivery fee and also your equipment rental fee, if those apply. So I'll add those now. If you are required to charge sales tax on your line items, click the Apply Tax button, and I'll do that now. This applies the sales tax rate you set on the My Bakery screen. If your delivery and equipment rental need to be taxed, that is also a global setting on the My Bakery screen, and you can learn more about that on the video for My Bakery. Now, there are many times when we offer special discounts to our customers. This is the space where you can add a dollar amount for a discount and a discount reason. The discount reason will print on your customer's invoice, so I'll add those now. With the final amounts added in, I'll click Save to update the totals. You can see now that when I clicked Save, CakeBoss asked me if a payment is needed. If I click OK, it will schedule a payment for the full amount due on the delivery date. If I hit Cancel, it will not schedule a payment. And I'm going to hit Cancel now so we can flip over to the Payments tab to see how multiple payments work. Now that we're on the Payments tab, you can still see the line items for this order below, but the top portion has changed. This is where you schedule and record payments from the customer. To schedule a payment, click Add Payment. When I click Add Payment, you see that the payment due date is automatically populated as the delivery date, and the amount due is the full amount due. But let's say I'm taking a deposit from this customer now, and they will pay me the balance before the delivery date. So I will change the payment due date to today. Then I will move to the Payment Made field. This is a critical field. When you fill in the Payment Made field with a date, that is what records the payment as having been made. So I will fill in the payment as having been made today. And let's say they're putting down a partial deposit. I will edit this amount. And the Notes section is for entering any notes you'd like to remember about the payment, such as the check number or the last 4 digits of the credit card number or who made the payment. Now, when we flip back to the Order Information tab, we can see the amount paid that we just recorded of $100 has been recorded as the amount paid. But there is still an outstanding balance of $388, and we didn't schedule a payment for it. Let's say we got busy and we just forgot to schedule that payment. Well, when you save your order, CakeBoss knows that there is still an outstanding balance that has not been scheduled. So this time I'll click OK for Payment Needed. And then when I flip back to the Payments tab, you'll see that the balance due has been scheduled for the delivery date. Anytime CakeBoss gives you the Payment Needed prompt and you click OK, it will schedule the balance due on the delivery date. You can change the due date of the payment to anything you wish. You'll see that the Payment Made field is blank on this payment that we just scheduled, and this means that the payment has not yet been made. Alright, the next tab over is the Photos tab. This is where you can upload sketches or examples that the customer sends you, or photos of your finished product. Just click Upload and then select your files. CakeBoss will notify you when your upload is complete, and you can see that it says 100% and the bar is green. I will save and close, and you'll be able to see the thumbnails of the photos that I just uploaded. Just click on one of the photos to see a larger version. If you uploaded a photo with very high resolution, you may open it and see only a tiny portion of the photo. If this happens, just click the Best Fit button, and you'll see the photo in a more manageable size. With the photo open, you can delete or print the photo, or just close the photo to return to the order. Now let's go over to the Notes tab. The notes are any information that you would like to display on the invoice, such as specific delivery instructions. And now we'll move on to the Internal tab. On the Internal tab, you can leave any private notes about this order that you do not want the customer to see. These notes will not print on your invoice. And below your internal notes box, you'll see two important numbers. The first is how much money you've actually spent on this order, and the other is how much you're going to make on it.